Suji halva is a semolina-based creamy street food. It's nutty, it's spiced, and it is delicious. Welcome back. It is Flavour Friday. My name is Ruby from the School of Rock, and today I am going to show you how to make some suji halva. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell for notifications. Okay, so our suji halva. This is a beautifully semolina-based slice, and I grew up having this as a child, so it's definitely a real nostalgia kick for me. We're gonna start by toasting off our semolina. Now I've got some ghee, which is a clarified butter, and I'm going to use that to toast off my semolina. So I put my pan onto a medium heat, and we're going to gently toast it. And then we'll just get it moving so we can evenly toast it. It will start to soak up that beautiful ghee. The more toasting that you give your semolina will dictate the color of your end product. So I want to kind of just a light toasting. I don't want it to get too dark. So my semolina is starting to color beautifully now. I'm also going to add in some chopped cashews and let those toast alongside our semolina, and we'll get some beautiful flavors and nuttiness adding to our suji halva. So now this is beautifully toasted. I'm gonna take that off the heat for now while we prepare our liquid that will be going into our suji halva. Okay, we need to warm our liquids now. So I've got some full cream milk, I've got some water, adding in some sugar. So we're going to gently warm our liquid so we can dissolve the sugar, and then we can add it back into our semolina mix. So my liquid is gently warm now, and I'm going to add in my ground cardamom, and that will just gently spice that liquid. So I have my pan back on a very low heat, and I am going to gradually add in that liquid and whisk it together so it can combine really nice and smoothly. Ooh, it smells beautiful, and we're looking for it to come together into a nice mix. So we're keeping it on a low heat so it can bind it together nicely. We do need some of that excess liquid to evaporate, and so it can get a bit of a thicker consistency. But we'll just continue to add in a creamy, nutty mix. Okay, so the last of that liquid's going in, and now we're gonna cook this off for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's really absorbed all of that moisture and become a nice creamy mix. Okay, so as you can see, it's thickened up really nicely now, and it's looking super creamy. It smells so beautiful. So now we are ready to dish this up. Okay, so I have filled up 2 of our pots. I want to add some raisins to the last bit of mixture, just so they can kind of soften and be added to that entire slice. And that leftover heat is going to soften them, get bites of deliciousness. And just use the back of your spoon, pressing it down into your mold or your tray, and garnish them with whatever you like, whatever your fancy is. I'm going to use some almonds on this one. Keep one plain, and then we've got one with our raisins. Okay, let's have a taste. It's still a little bit warm, but that's lovely as well. It's creamy, it's nutty, it's got that beautiful sweetness. This is a beautiful suji halva, super easy to make. I hope you enjoy it. So this is a super simple treat. What is your favorite treat from your childhood, your traveling days? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for joining us on Flavour Friday. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that bell for notifications, comment below, like this video, and we'll see you next time.